disaster time. This is not normally the sort of thing I'd put on my channel, but it's not working. I've tilted it back at the moment, and it's not. You turn it on and lights come on, and you press your power button and it doesn't go round. It just makes some really loud buzzing noises. Last time I used it, it was making some crunching noises from down this corner here. So I managed to tilt it back and open the drain hole, and the water absolutely reeks. So I will be cleaning it out. But I've been doing some investigating online, and it says that if it doesn't rotate, it's very likely the bushes or the carbon thingies on the motor. So I'm going to have a look at this, and I get one of the carbon bushes off, or carbon rods, whatever they're called, and get one off and have a look at it and see if it is completely worn down. Because if it is, I can replace this really cheap instead of throwing this in the bin. Alright, as you can see, you're underneath the washing machine. Hopefully I can get this undone without knocking you over. Oh. And this is not screws under here, this is just little, tiny little nuts under here. And that's the wrong size. Or is it? I don't know, can't tell. Is it not turning? No. Let's try another size. Got 5.5 mil. It's not. I don't know if it's going to fit. It might be too big. Oh, too small, sorry. Oh no, it fits. It's perfect. Ah, that's a good thing. Okay. See, we don't just work on cars on this channel, or motorbikes, or lawnmowers. Bit of everything. I'll try and get to the other one without seeing it. Oh. That's it, it's a carbon brush, not a carbon bush. Oh, lawnmower, washing machine, please stay there because my head's underneath it. Oh, down you go. Let's try and prop you back up again. It's alright. Can you see what I'm doing? Probably not. It's about the size of things. See if I can get it undone. Oh, this little bolt is out. I wish there were screw heads, that'd be so much easier. Oh, hang on. Wow. Yeah, look at that, completely worn down. There's nothing left of it. It should be really long, sticking out. So yeah, it's the carbon brushes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get these off, order some new ones, and yeah, I'll film putting it all back on again, and we'll have a working washing machine again. Yeah, hey! Amazingly, I ordered these the new brushes yesterday, and they were due to turn up in like the beginning of next month, like the 3rd or the 4th of next month. But lo and behold, new ones are here. Look, it's got a brand new little tab on top which you snap off. I'm going to snap that off when it's in position because it might be difficult to squidge it in because of pressure against the side of the motor. So let's get this bolted in and then snap that little top off. As you can see, the other motor is still in there. I haven't unplugged it yet because I just used the one I took off you know, identify replacement. So let's climb underneath here and let's plug the thing in first, I would say, because I unplugged the old one. Don't knock the phone over. And it's got to squeeze the pin in, and then we go. There we go. So that's now plugged in. So or maybe we've got to snap that off. I don't know. Well, that's interesting. It's got two alignment markings, one black and one nothing. So where the black is, I'm guessing that is where the original one was. So up there. Oh yes, it is up there because hang on. There we go. That's in. All right. Okay. Let's get the little screw. Well, it's not. Well, it's kind of a screw with a bolt head on it. It's widely spaced. All right, let's get that in there. Right, so that one isn't snugly tightened up. Let's grab the other one. Let's try and get the other one in. I can't see. Oh, whoa! I knew that would happen. There you are. You're back. It's not easy because like the front of this thing's like 6 inches off the floor. Oh, careful. Come on. There we go. Tightening up. Getting tighter. I'm not going to overly tighten it because I don't want to break anything. So I won't be using the ratchet to tighten it. There, I think that's tight enough. So now we need to get into there, into that little gap. Hang on, I'll show you a bit closer. There we go, you can see that little tab. So I need to break that little tab off. This is not easy under here. Right, I have my little long nose pliers. I'm wondering if I'm going to hear like a little ting. I heard something, apart from obviously this breaking. Little arm there. So when I change the other side, I'll do that off camera and I'll come back to you. And hopefully the thing will work. Fingers crossed. Both bushes are now fitted, new ones. This one was a bit of a pain on this side because one of the screws fell inside the motor. So I had to fish it out and that was not fun. So the washing machine ended up tilted sideways. Had to turn it and tilt it sideways instead of back. So I've plugged everything back in. Now I'm going to put all the panels back on. Well, actually no, I think I'll test it before I put the panels back on and see if it does actually function. Because if it doesn't function, it's another problem. So let's put it on. So let's put it on B, so it just spins. So start. Yes, it's spinning. As you can see in there, that is spinning. That's excellent. It works. Fantastic. Washing machine is fixed. Isn't that right, Georgia? Seeing as it's been sat for a couple of days with some horrible stinky water in it, here's a life hack. Dishwasher tablet. No word of a lie. Let's grab the box. Actually, I can show you in the cupboard. Tesco all-in-one. Doesn't matter which brand you use. Dishwasher tablet on its own in a washing machine will clean all the it'll clean all the innards just like it would a dishwasher. So let's change the function to a fast wash. 60. Put it on 5. Close the door. There we go. And go. Fantastic. The washing machine works. And I fixed it. Me. Not a call out man. Me. Thanks for watching.